Did you know you can completely transform your dye house with just one software? With TexLab, you create and edit recipes digitally with the precision and traceability your production demands. Automate orders and connect directly to machines, spectrophotometers, and instruments, removing manual work, eliminating errors, and accelerating every stage. Validate formulas, track every test, and approve each step with a secure, fully documented history. Plus, generate detailed reports and follow your quality standards in real time. TexLab gives your laboratory the power to operate faster, smarter, and with total control, fully connected to your entire machine park. Take your dye house to the next level. Contact us and discover the difference TexLab can make.